Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a popping shake effect to your video on CapCut. So you can add the shake effect by using the animation feature. So here's what you need to do. Just click on the first clip and go to animations, click on combo, then find the popping candy. Okay, so in here you can just adjust on how much you want the shake or popping to last. I'm going to go with 1 second, and then after that just click on a check icon. Then after that you can apply the same animation for the whole video, for the rest of the video. Okay, and it will go like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.